picture this. You start this new healthy habit. Maybe you do it for a few days, or heck, maybe you do it for 2 or 3 weeks. Then life happens. You get busy, you fall off the bandwagon, you get stressed, and you lose motivation. Sound familiar? Today, I am sharing my secret to help you create habits that actually stick for life. Have you heard of the 66-day rule? Most people think that habits are created in 21 days, but research shows it actually takes 66 days. It takes 66 days for a habit to become automatic. If you give up in 2 or 3 weeks, you're giving up before the habit even has time to solidify. The key is consistency, not perfection. So with the consistency, we want to build very tiny things at a time, not a huge overhaul at the very beginning. This is exactly why I created the Healthy Hub. The Healthy Hub is my online community that's free, but in there, we talk about habits a lot. People celebrate when they've created a new habit. People talk about their ideas on what new habits they want to create. Everyone's like supporting each other and holding each other accountable on these healthy habits so that they stick. I love having accountability when creating these new habits because it's easier for you to stick with it when you have people supporting you, like-minded people who also have health goals, right? That's why I created the community. So be sure and join. It's free. You can click the link below in the description. Okay, back to 66-day rule and how to create a habit. There are 3 key steps to help you create habits that stick. Number 1, just like I talk about in the Healthy Hub, make it absolutely stupid simple. Most habits fail because they're just too extreme. We try to go all in. Let's dial it back a little bit and let's create some habits that stick by starting very, very tiny. Instead of saying, here's an example, instead of saying, I'm giving up sugar forever, how about instead of eating that candy bar that you bought, swap it for a piece of dark chocolate? That is one tiny habit that you can do that will make a big difference on your health over time. We're in this for the long haul, okay? Stay with me. This is a lifestyle we're creating. So these habits, we're gonna start them small and we're gonna build on them. Step 2, attach this new said habit to something you're already doing. Here's an example. I love using this example because we talk about this a lot in the Healthy Hub. Drinking water, right? Sounds boring, sounds mundane, but it is actually a habit that everyone should be creating in their life to have a healthier body. If you want to drink more water, put it with a habit you already do. Tell yourself, before I have this lovely cup of coffee this morning, I'm gonna drink 8 ounces of water. You're attaching the coffee drinking, which is the habit you already have, with the new habit, which is the water intake. Step number 3, get yourself some accountability. It is a game changer. Studies show that you are 65% more likely to stick to a habit when you have some accountability. And then the number jumps to like 95% when you have a group of like-minded people surrounding you to help you and encourage you down the healthy habit road. This is why I always say, do not do this alone. I did this alone. After my husband's heart attack, I was on an island, a metaphorical island by myself, trying to figure out how we could get him and myself healthy. How can we get him off of these prescription drugs? How can we keep him around? I did all of this alone, and I never want anybody to go through that. That's why I created the Healthy Hub. It is my online community. It is free for you to join. We hold each other accountable. We create healthy habits, and we are crushing our health goals. Click the link in the description if you'd like to join, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I am changing the way that you see, the way you treat, and the way you eat food forever. And I cannot wait to walk alongside you as you become the healthiest version of yourself. Hey, I gotta go, but I have one question before I do. What is on your fork? Bye, my friends.